Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Sharp Code, and in today's video we're gonna solve the question of Geek for Geeks, which is the problem of the day for today's date 26th September 2022. A question name is Tom and Jerry, and when we read the statement of this question, so here Tom and Jerry is in a pandemic. This all just a question briefing. So question starts from here, like Tom and Jerry is bored in a pandemic and decide to play a game. Given an integer n, so we have given an integer n. On each player's turn, that player makes a move by subtracting a divisor from current n. So just like if initially we have given the value of n as 2, so in the first turn the first player will subtract 2 with a divisor, let's say 1, and he gets a number n. So here is that, and thus form our next new n for the next turn. The player who does not have any divisor left will lose the game, and if Tom wins the game, we have to return 1, and elsewise if Jerry wins the game, then we have to return 0. So let's make an approach for this. Let's say if we have given a number, let us suppose we have given a number 6, and at the very first turn there is a turn of Tom gonna subtract this number with 1, and he gets, the number will change to 5, and then Jerry gonna subtract this number with 1, and it's gonna be 4. Here we have Jerry. In a similar way, when they subtract 1 by 1, at the end, then play Tom, then Jerry, then Tom. So if we see here at the end, Jerry left with no choices when there is a 1, because when Tom is subtracting, it is an even number and Jerry gets an odd number always. So at the end, Jerry gets 1 and there is no number left from which Jerry can subtract. In a similar manner, if we have given the value of n as odd number, let's say we have given, don't take it 7, let's say a small number 3. So if we have given a 3 at the initial level, then if Tom subtracts something from it, so it's gonna get an even number. If you have given odd number, so it's gonna convert to an even number. Again, after this, Jerry gonna play and it's gonna be 1, and now in this case Tom gonna lose the match. So if we see the code of this problem, we have given an n here in the question, and we just checked here if the number is even. So here we are checking if it is even. So if the number is even, we are returning 1. 1 means Tom wins the match, because at the end Jerry left with 1, and after that there is no value left for Jerry to subtract something from 1. In a similar manner, if the number is odd, then Tom left with 1, and in this case Jerry gonna win the match. So same we have written in our code. If the value of n is even, Tom gonna win the match. Return 1 means Tom gonna win the match, and in other case Jerry gonna win the match. So if we check this, if we compile and run this code, it is working good, no syntax error and all that. So let's submit it, and then if we see, there are 10,101 test cases, and these test cases are processing, and we have successfully submitted this code, and we have passed all the 10,001 test cases. Okay friend, this is it for the video. Thank you for watching.